Yo, what is up, guys? Xbox Gamer 20 here, and today we are joined by. Where are you?
Right here, bro.
Where?
Right here. Hello.
Oh, you're not on my team. Bro, join White.
What's white?
It's a team. Just click join. I like to see your base, bro. Just join. Yes.
Yo, dude, it says you're still on. It says that you still put me on hold.
Oh, so you can't see my face,
Nah, I can't.
but you can hear me.
Only when I go into the Skype app.
But you can hear me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, guys, look how cool that is. Okay, so this is how you win. You just want something like this, kind of. I put Roblox signs. Yeah, I put a T for Timmy.
Little Timmy.
Woo!
I set up the Skype tab, like in my Roblox tab too.
Yeah.
As soon as I click away, it goes away.
Yeah. So. Okay. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube.
I think it's because dude, I think it's because when you put me on hold, you turned off the video thing, because there's this thing called.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, I would check, but I don't really want to record your last name.
No, like for the little tiny thing. Tiny box.
I have no.
It says turn off video. Turn video off.
Bro, do you have any music on?
No, it's just the background thing.
Oh, yeah, just turn it down. Because it might be copyright.
Yeah, fine.
Because he says all the music's written by me, I'm pretty sure. Let's see. Oh, bro, I have extra health. Yeah.
Misty Mag, no.
Oh, bro, guess what's really cool?
What?
So, like, I get double times gold.
Oh, because you bought something, or?
Like, I bought the, if you go shot, or gold,
Oh, I can move you around.
you can.
Yeah, I can move like the tiny screen.
Oh, yeah.
I'm putting it on my left side.
Alright, so right now we're holding out pretty good. I mean, actually, we're not doing as good as the last round, but actually we are. We're doing really good.
Actually, dude, this is way better quality for Skype than it is on the phone. And plus, hopefully the peoples of YouTube can hear me better.
Yeah. Actually, we might have to start talking like this. I like this way more better.
Yeah, and plus, if it says I'm on like Roblox, you don't have to call me and waste the phone battery.
Yeah.
You can Skype each other. Honestly, it's holding up really good. We just lost one block. 2 blocks, actually.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna stop. Should I just stop charge? I'm just gonna stop charging my computer. Hopefully, it doesn't crash.
My computer was about to die when I started downloading Skype.
Huh.
I'll be right back.
Yeah, that's nice. So this is Skype. Didn't know if you liked it, but also I have a movie maker app that I got. It's like Microsoft something, and yeah. Now I record on that.
Wait, can you see me?
I can see fine.
Can you see yourself?
Oh wait, do you mean something just fell? Do you mean on Skype?
Yeah, on Skype.
Oh no, actually I had to close it out because it said your name above it.
Oh. Well, I'm not recording. I can see it.
Yeah. Does it say my name?
No.
Does it?
Actually, if I go
What? Bro, our chairs just blew up. Keep spam space, spam space. Never mind. Oh, never mind. Ah!
Yeah, that was fast space.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god! Everything's blowing up.
Are you on the boat?
Yeah, I'm on. Was my game lagging?
Yeah, I'm experiencing some major lag too.
Oh no! Oh my gosh! I'm on the edge.
For me, you're just.
No! Ah!
No, don't worry. I'll come back. No. Oh, that.
Oh my gosh! The person's getting on my nerves. Keeps asking if she can join.
I hear. Let me just reset. Hey, bro, don't load yours. Don't load yours. Alright, guys, we're gonna try one more time on video.
Oh, in this boat?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was a different boat.
Oh.
We have to get past it. You have to go for a new escort.
Yeah, here. I'm just gonna do this real quick. Okay.
Alright. Honestly,
But
honestly, this is like better than on the for some reason.
yeah, I think it's really good.
For some reason, before when we were on like the phone and stuff, I just zoomed into Skype and it didn't show my name.
That's weird.
Oh, probably because I minimized it.
Oh.
I zoomed it out super, like not far off.
Okay.
Let me just exit out of this real quick. Alright. Hey.
Sounds like there's a massage chair on in your house.
Yeah.
Is there?
Oh.
Like
There's no massage chair on my house in my house.
oh, we used to have one. I think we might we might.
What if it is right in the middle?
You're gonna give me a spotlight of my beautiful face?
Yeah.
How nice.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna tag boy.
Bro, somehow I already used 200 stone on this. No. Don't want to place
You just have like the cam built into your like. You just have it built into your
computer.
Yeah, I mean yeah.
Yeah, it's like my webcam kind of. I use
Right, like it's a little blue dot.
Yeah, I use it as my webcam.
Yeah, that's kind of fun.
Well, I used to
Like
use it.
at first the little square box was working until we went into the game and then it wasn't working.
What little square box?
Little square box that shows us.
That shows oh yeah.
It was working until we went into the Roblox game.
Yeah. Alright guys, so I actually have no clue what I can do with my Microsoft video editing app. So you guys are gonna have to just watch the video to see what I edit in with my magic skills.
Actually, dude, I think we should add like more seats so if like these seats blow up, there'll be more seats around it.
Okay. I got them covered.
honestly, this is like one of the best full speed builds.
Yeah. Well, it's not really good, but like it's good because how we just keep surviving in it.
Yeah, like the first one I made.
Yeah, that was the best. You found that out random too.
Yeah, I just started building when you told me.
There. Is 4 chairs good?
Yeah.
And then I'll just make, you can't color them. Oh, that's a disappointment, but let's go. Okay guys, here we're setting off on our journey.
Wait, we're in white base. That's the best launch here.
Yeah. Oh.
Just go straight. We are gonna beat it this time.
Hopefully. I'm like really impatient to see if we beat it.
I was literally on the edge, and I was gonna jump to try to get back in, and then just went flying.
Yeah, bro, I just spent like, let's see, let me do my math. 65 plus 30, 35 plus 35, is 70. And then, yeah, I just, spent 270 gold.
I have 74 gold.
I have 1,082.
You're very. How many times have you gotten to the end?
Well, you have to get to the end twice to become a royal member. I don't know how much times I got to the end.
You can buy 7,000 gold for 700 Robux.
Yeah, I spent like 200 Robux.
Of the 1,000.
Yeah, a bunch of times.
1,000 for
And
1,000.
then every day I buy 150.
There is no 100.
Well, there's the 5 for 50.
What? Turn your Roblox character into chocolate. What the
Guys,
heck?
I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Yeah?
You can turn into a chocolate bar for only 20 Robux.
What? Oh, yeah, I think I bought them. I'm gonna check. Gold? Oh, no, I didn't buy them. That
And
stinks.
there's the times 2 multiplier, the chicken, gain the ability to charge your Roblox character and their chicken for 200 Robux, plus 50 more walk speed.
50 more walk speed.
Gain
50.
the ability to change your Roblox character into a fox for 200 Robux plus 50 more walk speed. And then the penguin one is,
The jump.
yeah, plus jump. Plus 25 jump.
Oh, bro, we're doing it so far.
I would just buy the double the gold, which is 44 gold.
Yeah, it's really good. Like, I think I get 300 when I beat it.
Uh-oh, we're on the tornadoes. This is where we died last time.
No, is it really? That's where you died.
Yeah, it's where I died. I'm pretty sure this is where I died.
No, you didn't die here.
I died on the gears.
Yeah.
Which is next, I'm pretty sure.
No, bro, we already did gears. Oh, we skipped gears.
Oh, dude?
Yeah?
Are we at the end?
No.
Oh, I thought we were at the end because I didn't see anything.
Oh, yeah, you just need to load your camera.
We have a lot more space.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna play on my phone again, wait.
Okay, me too. Don't phone battery, you always die. I'm gonna play some funky cards.
You know what I'm gonna play?
But,
Adventure Cap.
oh, I love that game. I'll play it too.
Dude, guess how much money I have?
What? How much?
1.448 quadrillion.
In Venture Cap?
Yeah.
Bro, I think I have something crazy like that too. No, bro, come back to your computer. Come back to your computer, I repeat. Get it.
We're getting blown up. We're getting blown up.
Go. Get in the chair, bro. No!
No. I think this stand will be okay.
These
Get off.
the cannons are too OP.
Way too. I think we have to like make it out of something stronger.
Yeah, I did better without the Roblox signs, I think. Oh yeah, cause it just went over.
Yeah. But they added that as like a parody.
Yeah, but I think I might delete him.
Unless we just build a giant wall and then a door.
All right, let's see how much I have. I have 55 quadrillion. Make that 110 quadrillion, I think.
I have 1 quadrillion. But dude, how much do you have on the moon?
I don't play the moon.
I do. I have 2 quintillion.
2 quintillion?
Yes.
Is that even a number?
Yes, 2 quintillion.
Yeah, man, get the game now.
Ah!
Ah! No. I didn't. No! No! No!
Dude, the boat went flying.
No! I died! I wasn't even close to the end anyways. Okay. No. Perfect. Oh, never mind. I have 165 quadrillion. Wow. That is a lot.
Why can't I see how many?
It's not like, yeah.
I have 2 quintillion on the moon. I'm excited.
Alright, investors.
Dude,
Bro. If I restart, guess how many angels I get?
how much?
1,579.
Dude, the first manager for the angel thing,
Yeah.
it's 1 billion angels.
What?
Investors, if I get out, dude, if I get a restart, guess how many I get?
How much?
7,091.
What? How?
Because I have so much money.
How much? Oh, on the moon?
Yeah. Are you on the are you on Mars yet?
No. I'm not even on the moon.
Dude, we gotta get to the Cillian to get 1 megabyte. It costs 100 trillion, by the way, for the moon.
Oh, does it really?
Yeah, 100 trillion.
Wait, I have quadrillions.
Yeah, you have way more. You have a lot more. Yeah.
Bye, Roblox. Bye.
Die.
Yeah, that feels good.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna get my charger.
Okay, we're going in. We're not going to get touched. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, dude.
Here we go. No, I don't want this dumb top pattern. Jeez. By the way, guys, new video might be coming on my phone. Alright, bro, I have 15 megabucks.
15 megabucks? How?
I just keep getting the what's it called? I don't know.
I wanna see how many angels I would get when I'm on Earth. I will get 130.
I just hate spending my money in this game like this. And yes, it's light speed now.
Whee!
Now,
No muffin OMG. You can't join our team.
so I just recognized you have to upgrade everything to 200 for it to be light speed, right?
Yeah. How the heck? Oh yeah,
What?
yeah.
Yeah, I have my lemon light speed, my newspaper light speed, my car wash light speed, and my pizza light speed. Well,
Because I have the donut with light speed.
how? My donut's almost light speed.
My newspaper, I didn't do my newspaper though.
Bro, I just spent more than $5 quadrillion.
Dude,
No, why would I ever do that?
dude,
Okay, guys, I'm back. Pizza's not light speed.
dude, pizza is super easy to get a ton of money.
It really is. So's donut.
Yes.
So's donut.
Yeah. The lemonade is like really good because it gives you a lot. But what the heck?
Wait, what? What just happened?
I just took a lot of damage.
Yeah. Wait, what? Oh! What is happening? Bro, I'm sorry for your death. Bro, wait.
I'm getting 1 million a second. Not even. 1 million at 0 seconds.
Bro, I'm getting like 50 million in 0 seconds. 500 million in 0 seconds. I don't know.
Dude,
Yeah.
the car wash, you don't even need to get it to light speed because it still goes really fast.
Yeah, true.
I'm getting 100 million in 1 second.
No, no, no. I just died too.
Dude, did you? The donut shop is it's a waste and it's a ripoff because you literally once you get into the billions, you only get 100 million.
Per second?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of just a ripoff.
And then when you get into trillions, you're at 200 million. I'm gonna upgrade the Sherpa.
Bro, come on and get in your seat.
Hopefully I don't die if we go into the canyon.
You no.
Wait, we'll go onto the boat and let him.
No, he's just gonna jump on it, bro. Trust me. Yeah?
Dude, the oil thing
Yeah?
is my favorite.
Oh, I know. You get so much money. Like, I get a quadrillion every 30 minutes.
Dude, guess what I get?
What?
It says, I bought this upgrade for it, and guess what? It says this. It says 7 billion a second.
Wait, 7 billion a second? I need to see what mine's at right now. Oh, I get 143 billion slash second. Sec, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I have. Alright, I'm just gonna shut my phone off because the battery's dead.
Dude, and it also interferes with the connection.
What?
With my computer. That's what happened with that's what happened with my phone. So I have to keep it like a distance away or else it will make that weird glitching.
Hate that.
Are you ready to go?
Oh, no, not yet. I just need to do this. Okay, guys, so this is what your boat should look like.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it took a long time to get hooked up. We know.
This will protect us now.
Hopefully.
If we get into the candy one, we should build a little bit above our, like, under our seats.
What do you mean?
So we don't take any damage like the last time.
Yeah, let's just do this. I think we're good.
Yeah, we're safe from bombs now.
Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I'm ready. How about you?
I'm fine, bro.
Well, actually, I just need to finish this.
It's like our little bunker.
I know. At first, it looked nice. Then we did this. Ah! I'm gonna make it random colors. Let's do this. Ah! Ah! And let's do this. Yeah, boy. Now let's do black. Oh, bro, actually, that looks really cool, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks like it was like hit with a bomb.
Shot. Save. Yes. Here we go, guys. Xbox Scrim 20 here. And I might try to start a time lapse. So if you guys don't hear me, I'm starting a time lapse. And I'm still gonna talk. So if I am, I'm just wasting my time if I can make a time lapse. So yeah. Okay, so we are setting sail. Actually, I'm not going to talk. I'll leave you guys to look at the damage that happens. Okay.
Starting time lapse.
I'll try. Say jokes.
What do you call a boat without a sail?
A fail.
Yeah.
Actually, that was kind of a good one. What do you call a boat without a sail? A fail. Right? Because it's just going to fail in real life. Okay, here, say another one.
Let me just collect this
Wait, I'm going to give you some questions. I'm challenging you.
What did the excited gardener do when spring finally came?
I don't know. What did he do?
He wet his plant.
Oh, I get it.
What do ghosts ride at an amusement park?
Oh, bro, guess what? I used to be addicted to the hokey pokey, but then I turned myself around.
That's a good one.
Why can't you hear a pterodactyl go to the bathroom?
But the pee was silent.
Mhm.
What do ghosts ride at an amusement park?
I'll get it. Oh, I asked a Frenchman if he played video games. He said, "Oui." Yeah, let me try it.
He played Wii. Yeah, I get that one. What do ghosts ride at a amusement park?
Wait.
Here, I'll type it in chat.
Alright, bro. How do crazy people go through the forest?
I died again.
Wait, what? Alright, well, the answer is they take the psychopath. Okay.
Say it in chat.
What kind of coffee was served on the Titanic?
I don't know.
Sanka. Sanka.
Yeah.
Get it?
Alright, read the thing I just said in chat.
I don't know.
Oh, roller coaster.
A roller coaster?
A roller coaster.
A roller coaster. Yeah, real funny. Yeah. How do you find Will Smith in the snow?
I don't know.
Look for the Fresh Prince. I'll get it.
Where would you find flying rabbits?
Rabbit, flower, rabbit.
Where would you find flying rabbits?
I don't know.
In the hair forest.
In the hair forest.
In the hair force, like the Air Force, but it's rabbits.
Oh, I get it. That's funny and cute. Bro, start making a really good boat. Why do gorillas have big nostrils?
What?
Why do gorillas have big nostrils?
I don't know.
Because they have big, what's it called? Never mind.
What happens when frogs park illegally?
I don't know. Stop asking me.
They get towed.
Huh. Huh. How does Steve get his exercise?
Wait, I have one. What do you call a pig that does karate?
Amazing speed.
Uh,
A pork chop.
a pork chop? I get it.
Because in karate,
Oh, chop. Oh, I get it. Alright, bro. Now I'm gonna tell him. Ready?
yeah.
Okay. How does Steve get his exercise?
I don't know.
He runs around the block. Have you heard of the creeper that went to a party?
No.
He had a blast. What's a guest's favorite country? What's a Yup. What did Steve say as he faced off against a skeleton with his pickaxe?
May I ask you a question?
No. I've got a bone to pick with you. Why did the creeper cross the road?
I don't know.
To get to the other side. Why did the sailor bring iron and coal into his boat?
I don't know.
He needed oars. I know, I don't get them either.
No, I get them. He needed oars, like oars for a boat.
Oh. Oh, it's sail and iron.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, never mind. If there will ever be a Minecraft movie, then it would be a blockbuster. Why can't the Ender Dragon read a book?
I don't know.
Because he always starts at the end.
I should have got that one. That one's really easy.
How did Steve feel when he spent hours mining only to find nothing but coal?
He felt tired.
Shafted.
Shafted.
Why don't Blazes ever make business?
I don't know.
They keep firing people. What is the national sport of Minecraft?
Swimming.
Boxing.
The only one I got was the gas one, because I knew that one.
I'm at the end.
You're at the end?
Yeah.
Did you meet the Ender Dragon?
Ha! 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 Real funny.
I got one. What's Steve's favorite
Minecraft?
Block.io.
Block.io. Okay.
What's the... Oh, I can see you now.
What do you mean?
I can see you.
Oh, you can see my face?
Yeah, I can see you.
Okay. A creeper walks into a bar. Everyone dies.
Yeah.
Because he blows up, right?
Yeah.
When I saw the guy with the potion, I knew there was trouble brewing.
Yeah, like he's brewing the potion.
I asked if I could look for ores in an Italian Minecrafter's cave. He said, no, it's a mine.
Oh, like, it's a mine.
I tell you a joke about the end, but it will just drag in.
Oh, like it was just dragging.
Bro, I completed it. I'm at the end.
Me too. I'm almost at the end, bro.
Wait, are you really?
Yeah, I built a boat and I've been looking at jokes the whole time.
Oh, yeah, me too, bro. Okay, guys, we're going to end this video here. See you next time. Bye.